Solving rational algebraic equation. Masasabi natin siyang isang rational equation pag mayroong polynomial sa numerator or denominator or both numerator and denominator sa equation. Our equation consists of denominators with different polynomials. Para ma-solve ang ating equation, kailangan muna nating hanapin ang LCD. Usually kasi, pag ang denominators ay magkaiba at walang common factor, sila na rin yung ating magiging LCD. So, ang LCD natin is x times the quantity of x plus 2. Pag mayroon na tayong LCD, i-multiply natin both sides of the equation by the LCD. Let us multiply the LCD to the equation. On the left side, x times the quantity of x plus 2 times 2 over x plus 3 over x plus 2 equals 1 times the LCD on the right side. By distributive property, i-distribute natin ang LCD doon sa bawat term ng ating equation through multiplication. Ito yung mga terms ng ating equation kung saan natin i-multiply yung ating LCD. 2 over x, 3 over x plus 2, and 1. The left side of the equation, si LCD, i-multiply natin kay 2 over x. Ganun din, i-multiply natin kay 3 over x plus 2. On the right side, si LCD, i-multiply natin kay 1. X times the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of 2 over x plus our LCD, x times the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of 3 over x plus 2 equals 1 times x times the quantity of x plus 2. Our LCD, nag-multiply tayo sa bawat terms ng ating equation. LCD times ang term natin, ang unang term natin sa ating equation is 2 over x, at sa pangalawang term ay 3 over x plus 2, at sa pangatlong term ay si 1. Sa unang term natin, cancel si x. Ang maiwan, i-multiply natin. So 2 times the quantity of x plus 2 plus sa pangalawang term natin, cancel si x plus 2. Ang maiwan is 3 times x. On the right side, multiply natin x times the quantity of x plus 2. Simplifying the left side of the equation, 2 times the quantity of x plus 2 is 2x plus 4 plus 3 times x equals 3x. On the right side, x times the quantity of x plus 2 is x squared plus 2x. Mapapansin natin sa ating equation na naka-form tayo ng quadratic equation. I-rewrite natin ang ating equation sa standard form ng quadratic equation na ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, or 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Mapapansin natin na ang quadratic term ay nasa right side ng ating equation. Lahat ng terms ay pagsasamahin natin sa right side ng ating equation. Using property of equality, yung terms na nasa left side ay mapupunta sa right side ng ating equation. Yung term na ililipat natin ay mag-change ng sign. Sa left side ng ating equation, mayroong similar terms na 2x plus 3x. I-combine muna natin silang dalawa. So 2x plus 3x equals 5x. 5x is on the left side. Pag nilipat natin siya sa right side, this will become negative 5x. Then 4, ililipat natin sa right side, will become negative 4. 0 equals x squared. 2x minus 5x equals negative 3x minus 4. Naka-form tayo ng quadratic equation na nasa standard form. So, isosolve natin ito using factoring method. Since factoring method ang ating gagamitin, gagawa tayo ng dalawang blank parentheses kasi yun yung magiging factor ng ating equation. So, negative, negative, that means ang factors natin ay negative at positive. Factors of x squared is x times x. Factors of negative 4 na pag isasum natin is negative 3 is negative 4 and 1. Equating both factors to 0, 0 equals x minus 4 and 0 equals x plus 1. And solve for x. So x equals 4 and x equals negative 1. So the roots of our given rational equation are 4 and negative 1.